Hello, halos. Welcome back to the Believe in Beauty channel. My name is Tina and I am going to demo two styles for you today. You see the two units here. The first one is the Devon hair unit. The second one you see right now is the Carmen unit. I'm going to drop more info on the hair units if you're interested in the description. I'm going to walk you through these demos. I want you to just follow along and watch me style this first unit in 3 different styles, and then I'm going to go through the second one, do a total transformation. But just follow along. I'm going to give you some information and backstory on myself and on the hair units. So the concept of the 60-second clip and go hair topper was derived because women want flexibility, and I speak for myself, but I know that I've heard from enough of you to know that I am not alone. When I was tired of wearing full coverage wigs all the time, I needed an option to switch up my style without damaging my hair and not having my entire head covered. So because I am such a fan of short hair, I was always wearing sew-ins and quick weaves and wigs to try to add some versatility to my styling. But some of those techniques are a little harsh on the hair and the scalp. So I wanted something that would allow me to switch up my style frequently and also allow me to remove the hair extensions and take care of my hair and my scalp. So I created the 60-second clip and go topper, and as you have seen in some of my other videos, it literally takes about 60 seconds to pop the style on, blend it in with your hair, and go. This particular unit is the Devon unit, and I love Devon because not only does she provide nearly full coverage, the hair is so beautiful. It's curly, it's silky, it's soft, and it's manageable, as you can see. I love this unit not only because of all the things I just stated, but because it's so easy to manage. Because the hair is so amazing, shampooing the hair and a light conditioner followed by some leave-in detangling spray and allow it to air dry is going to give you the longest lasting wear that you've ever had in a hair unit. And it's so beneficial because you can take it off every night if you wish. If you saw me at the beginning of this video, I had my hair molded flat. No braiding was required unless you want to have your hair braided down. If you have hair in the top that's going to be a little bit less manageable while wearing the unit, you might want to have it braided, but otherwise no extra maintenance is required to wear the 60-second clip and go topper. And as you can see, this is the second style. So the first style, I had a middle part, but then I decided to switch it up and now I want a side part. And as you can see, it offers a lot of versatility in styling. You really have 3 looks in one, and it just depends on how you like to wear it. You can shape it, have it cut shorter, whatever suits your style. And now I'm just switching it up to add the side part over on the other side. So everybody has their favorite side that they like to wear their part, and wearing the 60-second clip and go hair topper will give you that flexibility. Now a little bit on my backstory. My name is Tina. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I have been a wig maker for the last 15 years, and I offered custom wigs to my clients in the salon because I had a lot of ladies that would sit in my chair who were struggling with hair loss and had some thinning and different things that were going on. So I would make custom wigs for them, and most of my clients always prefer shorter wigs, the pixie wigs, and all of those unique, cute, low maintenance styles. So I got very well versed in creating short styles, which made the transition to creating hair toppers even more simple. So I wanted to create something that was a little bit healthier option for women to change their style, sort of a do-it-yourself option, and the 60-second clip and go hair topper was born. And for this look, it's a total transformation because I'm going from the longer length to this very, very short length. Now, this is the Carmen hair unit, and it's the very exact same hair as the Devon unit, except it's super short, like a curly pixie style. And I love this hair in this style as well because, like I said, this hair is so simple to maintain. It's so simple to style. All you need is some mousse or some water. Mousse and water is literally all that I use to add definition to the curls. And I know that mousse is not something that people use frequently, but when you're using hair or wearing hair extensions, using mousse is an easier option because it does not add a lot of residue. There are a lot of different formulas for straight hair, curly hair, if you want defined curls, if you want a crisper curl. There are so many different options for mousse. And for this hair, it works perfectly. And as you can see, when I turn around, that my hair is straight in the back, but this texture blends very well with my natural texture, and you really, really can't tell. It's very undetectable, so no one would even know that you're wearing a hair unit, a clip-on hair unit at that. And the best part of it all is that you can take it off at night. You won't need to sleep in it. You can still use your hair oils and all those different products that you might use to care for your natural hair. And I just love this hair. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. You don't have to do anything to it. Just pick it out with your fingers and go. The 60-second clip and go hair topper. Thank you guys so much for watching. The details for these two units will be in the description. If you have any questions, I'm happy to hear your feedback. Drop your comments below, and I really appreciate you guys taking the time to listen and watch and stop by and subscribe. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Talk to you soon.